Hey, hi friends, Sam here. So what I want to tell you that I explore different apps, different products, and I do have 3 SDH product sessions. So what do you mean by SDH? S stand for showcase session. So where I just explain you features of product highlighted. So I just disclose the product name and whatever features I tried out, I just list out that feature and I showcase that features of the product. That is showcase session. Second level session will be more deep session, that is demo session. So actually I take use cases, so practical use cases, that product how I am using for my business, how I am using for my content generation or my social media management or whatever is the usage for that product. So I actually show you the practical use cases. So this is very valuable. And hands-on, this is third level epic kind of session, that is hands-on. I also call it as do it with Sam, so it is like I showcase you step by step practically, okay, and I give you time to do it along with me. So it is doing session. Okay, so that is what is hands-on. So I do conduct session in SDH format: showcase, demo, and hands-on. Generally, the showcase session you will find publicly available, but demo session I only give to my special and committed audience. So demo session and hands-on session, that will be on my private channel. So this may be on the public channel. Okay, so maybe YouTube or Facebook or LinkedIn or my public channel, customized public channel. But demo session, this will be on private channel. Okay, so understand that. And this will be definitely, I want committed people to get into that. So this will be on my private channel, that is not publicly available for everybody. So this is the format in which I conduct the product sessions. Okay, I hope you understood that. Okay, so let us jump into today's product showcase session. This is showcase session. So I will be telling you about features of this product. So which product we are getting into? That is CastMagic. So I'm using this product from long time now, and let me explain you the different features which I explore. Now, word of caution here: do not jump into immediately going to the site and immediately signing up. Don't do that. Wait till end of this video. I will tell you the process for that. Okay, so don't jump into directly going to the URL and checking the website out. Listen first. Listen what I'm trying to tell you first, and then wait till end of this particular session. I will tell you that how to sign up and how to get hold of the account and how to get into that. Don't do hurry and jump into that immediately. So just listen first. Now, what are the different features of CastMagic? Let me show you different features. If I tell you overall different features, so if you have the MP3 file, okay, if you have the MP3 file, then you can generate podcast out of that. Okay, and of course you can have that podcast channel on the CastMagic and you can share that with other people, your audience and everything, and that can be the basically podcast channel for you. Other thing which is unique thing about CastMagic is speaker voice transcript. So let's say you are conducting the interview, your voice is there and other person voice is there, so it will bifurcate transcript, it will bifurcate the text whatever generated from that MP3 according to speaker. That is awesome feature and unique feature I have seen in CastMagic. Okay, soon I'm going to tell you the product, how it look like. Audio to blog post. So whenever you do have the MP3, you have your MP3 and you want to generate the blog post out of that using text to speech feature and all. So that is also possible with CastMagic. Then it will also give you, for example, you have generated podcast, it will also give you different post content automatically, which you can take and immediately post it to the social media. Okay, so I will tell you how it generate and generated post, and you will be amazed to see that, that's what. And as I said, wait till end of the video where I will tell you how to get into the product and how to get into my demo session. I do have the next level demo practical session hosted on my private channel. I will tell you how you can get the access of that. Okay, perfect. Okay then, so let me show you the product. So this is how, once you log in, this is how your account will look like, and you will see this is what your channel name. So in my case, it is Super Training, whatever your brand and everything, that will be there. Now, whatever MP3 I am uploaded, let me see that. So I'm going to the recording thing, and it is showing me you can upload your MP3 files, or you can upload the MP4 files, as well as YouTube channel URL, YouTube video URL you can also upload, and it will generate the transcript for that. It is like getting the video and generating MP3 for that, and the text as well. So for example, this is the video where Priya and Daniel are talking to each other. So that is what generated. This is, so two speakers are there. What I wanted to tell you, Priya is one speaker, Daniel is another speaker, so two speakers are there. Then if you see, this is my audio call. So I do conduct as a TIPCO and MuleSoft and Salesforce trainer, I do conduct career consultancy with people over phone. So that phone recording I have taken and I uploaded in CastMagic, and it has given me awesome podcast out of that, provided it has good quality, good content quality. Another thing, I had my TTM, which is like teaser, trailer and movie kind of strategy. So this is TTM strategy which I devise, that is for my customers, trainers and coaches. So that video I had, so I generated this recording out of that. Let me show you one by one. Let's say Priya and Daniel I get into. You can see that this is just a sample thing, you can see that it has generated speaker A and speaker B, so it has detected that there are two speakers involved over here. Okay, so you can basically download it as a text, you can download it as the subtitle file also, and that file you can use it somewhere, that subtitle file you can use it to upload somewhere if you want to upload somewhere. Okay, and you can see this is generated, that is how it has generated that. You can very well edit that and all if the transcript is not up to the mark. Let's say it is TIBCO, so that kind of minor thing. But let me tell you that industry standard wise, whatever transcript generated from CastMagic, that is awesome. That is like more than 90% accuracy is there, and it is well proven. Many YouTubers already well proved that. Okay, so this is what the one use case is. Let me show you wherever one speaker is there. Let's say this particular audio, it has generated this MP3 and there is only one Samz and there is a complete transcript over there. Okay, and this basically you can have hosted on your this, let's say this is single speaker, so you can host it and you can copy this link. Let's say you can copy this link. So let me copy the shareable link. Let me go to the browser, and here your audience can actually go and check your podcast. Okay, that is what. Right now this CastMagic branding is there, so whenever this video is getting recorded, I had a word with founder and he said that soon that will be removed. So in case if there is any update, I will put a note on this video that this has been taken care, but whenever I'm recording this video, this branding is there, which is absolutely fine. that is no problem at all. Now let me get into the multiple speaker thing. Now here, whenever I want to market this podcast, okay, that I can market it on my social media, I can go to AI content, and you can see that it gives me, AI gives me a lot of titles. So I can give the proper titles out of this to my podcast. I can use keyword for SEO settings and all that. So I can use that keywords, and you can see it has generated like the introduction of this episode, so you can use it in your podcast episode. What is the introduction of this particular podcast? So it's like synopsis for the podcast, that is what is there. Another thing you can see is that which all topics discussed in that also is generated automatically for you. Then topics covered, that is also generated for you, right? That is what is there. Another thing is that you can see reel script. You can see if you want to post it on LinkedIn, that content is ready-made for you. Newsletter. If you want to send this particular podcast content as a newsletter episode for somebody, or newsletter email to somebody, then you get that newsletter thing also over here. Then Twitter, if you want to publicize it on Twitter, this content is ready with you. Okay, you can make the changes as per your requirement. So in Instagram threads, you can also use this post 1, post 2, post 3, whatever you want to pick up, and you can use it and you can do it. If you are not happy with the generated thing, you can click on regenerate and it will regenerate the AI content for you. Okay, so that is what is there. Now let me come back to the features thing. So as I told you, MP3 to podcast, anyway it is there. Speaker wise transcript, it is generating that. Audio to blog post, so you can take that content, whatever content which are generated, you can take that content and very well you can publish it as the blog post. Definitely it is not giving you the systematically written blog post. You need to take the content and you need to properly sanitize that as a blog post, heading and this and that, and then it can be generated as a blog post. But that is doable very well. Then the next one is, as I shown you, audio post content to social media. That is anyway there. So whatever your audio you uploaded, it had generated the social media marketing content automatically. You just copy and paste it to your social media and just give the link to your podcast channel. That's what is there. So these all features given by CastMagic. As I told you, there is a process to get into the product sign up. Now what I suggest, the first use case which I implemented is that sometime back I have conducted the interview of my student, successful student who got offer after attending my training. Okay, so now in that video, YouTube video, myself and my student was there. Okay, so what I have done, let me tell you the use case. I'm telling you what I'm going to cover in my demo session, which is the next session, and how you will get the access. So basically using this CastMagic, what I have done, I actually generated a podcast where that interview podcast is there and I marketed that also. So how to do that, that I have shown in my demo session. So if you want ticket to my demo session where I shown this completely, that how I have done that and what is possible exactly. That's a demo session, So to get the ticket of my demo session, what do you do? Just ping my team for that. So below this video, now first thing, just wait for 1 minute. I'm talking, and now after I completing this, what you will get is, you will get one form where you have to fill your name, email ID and WhatsApp number. Do not hesitate to give me your WhatsApp number. I'm not going to share anywhere, and I'm not going to spam you with the unnecessary contents, So that's my promise to you. So after I finish this, you will get one form. So let's say if you are getting a form here where you have to fill the detail and submit that, so that you will get the access of my demo session. So this is a part of my private channel, and as you are coming here committed to watch till this point, I am giving you access of my demo session. Okay, so just wait for the form here. Okay, so in case if you already filled the form, that is great. But in case if form is not appeared here, what you have to go is that go to the description of this video and there must be a WhatsApp link. Click on that WhatsApp link and it will divert you to my team with a specialized message related to this video. So they will come to know that you actually watched till this point and then you click on the link and then you came there, and they will ask you some questions and they will actually give you the ticket of my demo session where I shown you how I converted the interview which I have taken on YouTube to actually the conversational podcast. And I will have multiple demo sessions. Basically you will get the directions in that demo session. I do have multiple use cases implemented and you can get access of that. My team will guide you. Okay, so in case if you fill the form, relax. In case if you have not got the pop-up form in this video, then just go click on the WhatsApp link which is there in the description, and my team will reply you accordingly. It will automatically send the specialized message to my team. Don't edit that, and my team will reply you accordingly. My team will also tell you, once you ping to my team and once you fill this form, they will also tell you that how you can get into the CastMagic account, how you can access the CastMagic account and do everything. Don't jump in and sign up immediately. So wait till my team give you the consultancy and they will guide you how you can get in this CastMagic account access. Okay, so that's how it is, and that's all for this particular video. Now in case if I run the WhatsApp community which is on the community feature only, so your number will not be shared with anybody. So on the screen there must be the WhatsApp community link. Go there, type it in the browser and join my community, Samz Idea Factory. There you will get a lot of ideas like this. Okay, and like this video, forward this video to somebody who really needs that. Right? So sharing is caring, my dear friends. So thanks. That's all for this video, and I want to see you in the demo video. So don't forget to fill the form. If you missed to fill the form, click on the WhatsApp link below and get in touch with my team. Thank you and have a happy cast magicking. Okay, thank you. Bye bye and see you.